Hello, welcome back to another videos again. Today video will be unboxing of these two new prime lens for Canon full frame. We are happy to tell you that we now have two new prime lens, which is of 50mm and 85mm. Tunya unboxing video kat iboldio hile 50mm to 85mm hiin. Stay ni hi Canon ading a prime lens sa hiin. One of very recommended for being a photographer and a videographer hiin. Thanks to Ate and Sasat for sending all this package all the way from Delhi. So let's unpack this and see. And 50mm hile Canon hiin. Aperture hi 1.8 hiin, sigma hi 85mm hi sigma hiin, sigma hi aperture hi 1.4 hi. So chian hong do tau tele. Hi 50mm 1.8. Sigma 85mm 1.4 DZ for Canon. Warranty card, manual. Okay, cihit lain koyutin. Now 85mm 1.4. Receipt. Stand Canon 50mm 1.8, Sigma 85mm 1.4 aperture. Camera tu tele. $5D Mark 4 atas bolot teh. Battery. light mama hoy light thi pe light bucket tai 5D Mark IV to Sigma 85mm in. This is what it looks like. And without the hood. Size. Okay, let us test 1.4. Memory card dong gak tutin. Uh, 1.4 and ISO 250 and shutter 100. Okay, depth of field. Gak cek boleh. Nah, so 1.4. 2.8 ISO 800 2.8 and 100 shutter. Okay, and 50mm toolkit hotel 50mm with 2.8. See 5D Mark IV to 50mm 1.8. Okay, 2 in. Hmm. 85mm toolkit nutin with grip, battery grip to. Sanali na. Sigma 85mm 1.4 agi. Sihihin with the grip hood. Point 4 ISO 600. Point focus. Not bad. Image quality, okay, nice. Chỉ là Sigma 85mm 1.4 cover hin 50mm hi ong tha ngai point na. So that's it. 85mm and 50mm. 85 1.8 and 50mm 1.4 unboxing ball now too. It's on two within. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Let's do one showcase. Our lenses and bodies. equipments EPP uma EPP body hamti hi venom tam de hin. So I am bringing out all of them. Okay, these are my equipments. I got this in it. Okay, perfect. Okay, CC in. Mi tam zo hin equipments na zaam ti aum hel hun chi za chu kai camera photo lens CC chu ka hin so hin. Tu na first hi body lampanga hi chi 5D Mark IV hi in 5D Mark IV khat hi in chi 5D Mark IV mama hi in 5D Mark IV ni hi in aban le chi te ni hi la full frame camera ki ti in hi chi le Canon 80D APS-C body non full frame hi in. And this is the legend kawan nei la den camera masapen 600D tu lai khanga hin ki muzo ta pon tin na hi chi hi ka nei na hi short chim time since 2014 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 2014 ko ma chu kana cho heta na chi hi hi in chi CC chu body hi in hotel le body hi ki chala hin na ko yude body CC chi chu hi in camera body hi li hi na hin la tu khanga dinga 600D APS-C adinga anyo loi hi phana chu shooting na hi hen lang video events hen lang ipilang panghyong le ki haman be se tapon na ama hi auto focus hi loji chun ha sa thimin chuta le APS-C body adinga ong so masaloi loi ja quality hi tu khanga ho to te adinga chu camera is a help phale hin a difference atamin chi ja chu ama hi home guard na de ka koi hi and hi jong hi 50mm hi in ipz 50mm hi tha ke cho hamiti le hi chi 50mm hi version 1 hi in chi kana cho na hi a short time more than 4 or 5 years lang chun hi mai thei tan na chi ani ke cho la ya chu chi 50mm 1.8 ani na hi 1.8 chi hi wanga hi chi hi STM hi in servo azawin chi servo azaw po en na shooting ki ball phal out of focus atam ji ena ki gen thei en chi za chu chi atha bia khen cho kit hi in 50mm hi tu le tu in ni omin APS-C lens hading in chi hi la 10 18 hi in chi jong hi more than 5 years a hi tai ka hin za na hi 10 to 18 hi in APS-C hi in 10 to 18 millimeter chi hi f 3.5 to 4.6 hi in chi le 18135 hi in kit lens for 80D hi in aban le hi chi hi le 5D Mark IV kit lens 24105 f4 hi in aban le next chi hi le chi la Canon brand ipon Samyang brand hi in 14mm 14mm 2.8 hi in chi hi le enzawa unboxing ni ball pau 85mm 1.4 sigma brand na Canon na hello aban le chi te ni hi le mia tamzon telephoto lens haza inna telephoto lens asai thelo holen black and white lens ati jivin na ichite ni 7200 f2.8 is2 ahi in ichi hi ni kanayin ipiji an ni kanai hamiti le hin shooting ho to event sai khat bo si akipoi mo in but then ipiji an ni kala hamti hi tham khat ki saile live streaming to ka bol tha ji hin na ke hin live streaming ka bol ting le hin camera hi thumle li ake jangji in site na hong hi jin even so hi la chung gimbal ke tola all a close ina ki chim thei hin prime lens so za thein in la even si ting le chun mi pi stage ma sanglai ha kala le mi pi aki district in na audience of district ji ja chu gam thata akuna telephoto za ngai close in zoom in bol tho ngai hi ji ja chu side na hi 7200 ka jangji in amidela hi 24105 ka koi ji in frame hi in khat chu amidela hi GoPro to ka hin mangjin oh sorry one more thing GoPro ga hai milove and one more action camera hi tu le to hin hi in chi chiten hi action camera ki ti in hi chipa hi le E9 ham izat tam ka heta point aswat valtan chi ka first action camera hi na chi hi hi in chi hi la GoPro Hero 8 Black na GoPro Hero 8 Black chi ong su ti tila kana cho hin chi hi like ka su tila cho 42,000 ham kana pi hen accessories puma chana chi hi la ka live stream na ho Hoikim media live stream ho khone vele uchun mi pi hong do na fi sai de hong chi pa khoi chi ka za ji hi action camera ni hi in 7200 ni hi in 85 mm 1.4 in 14 mm 2.8 24105 f4 18135 f 3.52 5.6 10 18 3.52 5.6 50 mm ni hi in 1.8 hi in achuta le camera body hi 600 Canon 600D hi in Canon 80D hi in Canon 5D Mark IV ni hi chichang si chue he ke ka von ho he chi chang nga hi na kana to in 600 dia hi ke hit ka startup camera hi in chi hit photography to videography hi chi ha kong ki pat hi in chi hi tu khang a jong asu tapo in muzong ki muzo be se tapon anei jong he ki wang ma ta in na 600 di hi tu le tua e mi sunga dinga anei hi million to thang suknu a photographer pa ko na ama bo se hona nei mai thei ti so guys vlog ki bol wangin like zong man thei pon na bolai ta like ticket ta so bye bye see you on the next video.